guys, how you doing? Shantae McClain here, back again with another video for you guys. So I hope everyone is having an amazing day. My day is going so. This is like my third video I've recorded for you guys, and I'm still having technical issues. I'm not gonna vent today. I'm just gonna keep rolling. But as I stated in my last video, as you see, I'm not showing my face in the video because my little mini laptop will not let me show my face. So I'm just gonna be sharing my screen. But anyway, let's get right into it. In today's video, I want to share with you my newest stream of income, Digital Wealth Pros. I just want to take you on a quick back office tour to show you what the back office looks like and give you an idea of what you can expect if you decide to get started with the system. Please make sure, by the way, to like and subscribe to my channel, and please click the bell notification so you can get updates every time I post a video. And I want to thank everyone who checks out my videos and takes the time to look at them. I really appreciate the support. All right, let's get right into it. This is going to be pretty quick. So, let's begin. This is the back office of Digital Wealth Pros. As you can see, this here is where you click to get to the dashboard. As you notice on the dashboard, there are 4 capture pages. My screen is delayed, guys. I told you I have computer issues, so just bear with me. You get 4 capture pages, and then off to the side here are the links to those capture pages that you copy and paste. And these are the links you would share when you're promoting. Okay, so you do get 4 capture pages, which is good. If you don't have your own marketing system, then you don't have to worry about it. You are provided 4 capture pages. I do highly recommend, though, that at some point you do get your own marketing system or your own system where you can create your own sales funnels and capture pages, because that is where branding comes in, and that's where it allows you to kind of stick out and be different from everyone else. It's nothing wrong with a system that provides you capture pages, but if it's 4 capture pages and at the rate that this system is growing, because people are getting started with this every single day and people are seeing some really great results with this system, the more people that get in, you're not going to be the only one using these capture pages. And at some point, everybody's, what I'm saying, there are going to be times where everybody's using the same capture pages, and people who are checking out the opportunity will see the capture page and be like, oh, that's Digital Wealth Pros, and they may not even opt in. Because that's how I used to do. It was a company that had like 2 capture pages, and it got to the point where when I would see one of those pages, I'm like, oh, that's so-and-so. I already know what that is, and I wouldn't even waste my time opting in. So you definitely want to, at some point, get your own system where you can build your own capture pages and stand out and be different, and, kind of leave a little suspense to it, Just stay tuned, maybe by the end of the month, my plan is to be bringing you guys some good marketing systems that you can use to help you with your business as well. But anyway, so get started is the next tab. That's where you go once you have paid and you get access to Digital Wealth Pros. You click on get started, and it's going to walk you through setting up the system. I kid you not, this took minutes. It was not long drawn out at all. Next is top earners, just what it says. This is the top 10 earners in the company. It's pretty interesting. I'm not going to click on it, but, if you decide to get started, definitely check out the top earners. It's pretty cool. Definitely plan on being in that top 10 at some point. System messages, don't have to go over it. It's just what it is. It's system messages. CRM Manager is the email marketing manager. So the system does send out messages for you. Once someone opts in these capture pages, the company will send out messages for you. However, here in the CRM Manager is where you can go and manage your email marketing. So if you don't want to use the company email marketing, you can use GetResponse, Aweber, or I think it's MailChimp. But you can definitely integrate those where you can be in control of your own email marketing, and I highly suggest that. Again, it goes with branding and you building know, like, and trust with your leads. So if soon as you can, get one of the email marketing systems so you can be in control of your own emails. Your leads, it's just what it says. It's your leads. Every time someone opts into one of these capture pages, this is where you'll go to see your leads. They'll all be listed here. Your members are the ones that join you in this opportunity. You will be able to go here and see everyone who has joined you in the business. So it keeps track of all of your members that have joined you. Your products, I will click on the products because I came in at the bronze level, which is the first level, the $297. So I just want to show you real quick what you get at the bronze. Bronze is slow. I'm sorry, y'all. I hate this computer. Y'all see what I deal with? Okay, at the bronze level, you get access to emails that convert, empowered lifestyle. You got home-based entrepreneur, keyword secrets, and you got mastering WordPress. So I will be doing a video as well about the different levels and what you get. Definitely coming at the level that is best for you, that offer the products that you need in order to grow your business, and it also is gonna help you achieve your financial goals. So you pick the level, you know, that best suits you basically. But this is what you get at the bronze, okay? And then we got member resources. Now these are kind of tools that'll help you with this business opportunity, that kind of help you share it, build it, and promote it. First one is high converting postcard mailers. This system allows you to create postcards for this business. Direct mail is booming, guys. I see that all over my Facebook timeline, all over YouTube. People are crushing it with direct mail. So you have access to make postcards to advertise this business with, using, like I say, right here, it teaches you what to do that. Pre-made autoresponder letters are just what they say. These are letters that you can put into your autoresponder that's already done for you. Solo ad campaigns, same thing. These are campaigns that you send off with your solo ads. And web traffic trusted providers. These are going to be a list of solo ad vendors that are trusted, that are good, you know. So a lot of times people want to buy solo ads, but they're not sure who's a good solo ad vendor, because not all solo ad vendors are created equal. So we have a list of some recommended solo ad providers. And then last but not least is member support. And this is where you go if you have any type of system issues or issues with your, like let's say you didn't get the product that you asked for, or something goes wrong with your system. You go to member support and you will get help getting that resolved. And that is pretty much it, guys. Once you get your system set up, you'll get a member ID number. And when someone goes through your capture page and checks out the information at the end, it's going to give them a 1-800 number. That's the call center that helps answer questions and get your members signed up. And they're going to need your member ID. So always make sure that you have a member ID here, and that if you refer someone, make sure they know to get your member ID before they call the number. But that's pretty much it. I just want to kind of give you a brief rundown of the back office and show you what it looks like. And just please make sure to look in the description. If you're watching this on YouTube, I'm going to put a link in the description. If you want to get started with Digital Web Pros, just click that link, opt into the capture page, and you'll get information on how to get started and how it all works. Also on Facebook, just comment info, and I will definitely get that info to you so you can get started. All right, guys, until the next video, you guys take care and have a great day. Bye.